What is it? Audio what?
Audio sync.
Audio sync. Hey everyone, it's Taylor and welcome back to our series on your guide to ranking on Google. In this video, we're diving into the question of how Google actually works. Back in the 1990s, Larry Page and Sergey Brin set out to make the world's information easily accessible and useful. In the early days of Google, search engines would categorize websites and their content based on the number of times a specific keyword appeared on a page. This had major flaws as it allowed people to game search engines with low quality content by stuffing their pages with keywords. To improve the user's search experience, Google developed a better way for search engines to analyze the relationship between websites, allowing quality content to rank higher in search results. This led to the creation of Google's core algorithm, PageRank. PageRank focuses on backlinks or links from other websites to your website. Google believes that if another website is linking to yours, it means your website has quality content and deserves to rank higher in search results. However, the quality of these links is important and it's just one of many ranking factors for Google. To find and understand your website, Google uses the process of crawling and indexing. Crawling involves finding all the content on the internet, and indexing involves understanding what the content on a website is. The bigger your web presence, which is your website and all its content, pages you link to, and external websites that link to you, the more of a web presence you'll have and the more traffic you'll receive. To make sure Google crawlers can easily crawl and index your website, you need to make sure your technical and on-page SEO is designed in a way that speaks Google's language. In future videos, we'll delve more into the technical and on-page SEO and how to optimize your website for Google. Thanks for joining us for this video on how Google actually works. In our next video, we'll be discussing why SEO is important for businesses. From driving free organic traffic to your website to increasing your online presence, SEO is a crucial element for any business looking to succeed online. Don't miss it. See you in the next video.